after I get the wallpaper up, oh God on you. I may, I might start putting the curtains and the valances up before I finish the wallpaper, because there's places on the metal walls where I can do that. So maybe I'll do that this afternoon, put some of those up, and I'll bring you along for that. Alright, so we're getting there. Alright, I'm going to run and get the mattress pads and bring those in, and might bring out a couple of the valances, curtains, and get those up. So yeah, that's what's happening. So I'll be back. Wow. I think I better get this wall out of the way. That might make it a little easier. Let me turn you around here. Okay. Not quite sure how to tackle this, but I'm just going to do it. Maybe. Yeah, I'm wondering. Did I get it in there backwards? Guess I better go check. Of course I did. So you gotta turn it around. There's nothing to grab onto. I know you're sitting there telling me what I should be doing. Trouble is, I can't hear you. All right. Let me get this one up, and ta-da! I can put it in the right way the first time. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go back in the house, and there's a piece that goes across here. I don't even know what it's called, but this side and that side, I guess it's to keep the mattress from flipping in and out. Anyway, so I'll put those up. And that's also got the little hasp block things that hook into it that keep this part, the whole bed area, from sliding in and out. It locks it in. Okay. I got them. Hey, what have you been doing? Just put one here. I think this one goes here. I think this one goes in back. I can only find 5. There's 6. What I should have done, which I did end up doing on the bathroom screws, was I took some of that blue painter's tape and the screws for the toilet paper roll holder, I wrapped them up in that and labeled it. And the screws for the towel holder, I wrapped them up, the screws up in the blue tape, and I labeled it. I should have done that with all of these. Okay. Scaredy cat? Huh? Scaredy cat. I think there's little buttons that go over the top of these too. Let's see. If I find them. Oops. Sorry. I think Kitty did that. Kitty knocked you over. I'm not quite sure where to put you. Guess that'll have to do. I've only got 2 plugs in this place. One that's right down here and one that's over by the stove. Okay. Whew. That really was a grunt. Okay, so those are up. Let me put my cushions back together. Looking for caps. Here they are. These little things. They go. And these were not easy to get off, I'm telling you. Like popping these little guys on. Like I said, they do a little click when you get them on there. I think they're just to cover up the fact that there's a screw in there. Whew. Okay, that's done. Okay, take care of that.